Welcome to another video, guys. This is going to be a quick one. I want to teach you how you can add hashtags to your YouTube titles. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This means a lot to me, and if this video helps you, please don't forget to like. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube app. Make sure you're logged into your account. So this is an old account I have, and that's what we're going to use for this practice. So I'm going to go to library, your videos. So we're going to work with the first video. Now let me show you that currently there's no hashtag in my title. Now you can see that there's no hashtag attached to my title currently. So what we want to learn is how to add these hashtags. So we're going to go back. Now you're going to click on the three buttons at the top right corner of your video. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click edit. We're going to go into the description, and that is where we're going to add our hashtags. Now this video is about Kylie Jenner and Stormy, and so I'm just going to use Kylie Jenner. Now you can see that while I'm writing, I'm getting further suggestions on keywords I can use. So in case you're not really sure of what you want to write, this can also help you. So I'm just going to stick to Kylie Jenner, and for my second hashtag I'm going to use Stormy. Okay, I'll go with Stormy Webster, and for my last hashtag is going to be Kardashian. Yes, Kardashian. Yes, in case I didn't repeat it earlier, you can only have 3 hashtags in your YouTube title. Just 3 hashtags. Why you want to have hashtags is because it helps with your YouTube SEO, and it also helps your video to easily get seen. And yeah, that's why you should have hashtags in your YouTube title. So we're going to save this and see if it appears in our video. So now this is saved, and I'm going to play the video. Let's see what we have. Boom. You can see my hashtags appear. So this is how you can easily add hashtags to your YouTube titles. Very simple, very straightforward, simple and short. Just put your hashtags in your description box. It's going to appear in your YouTube title. Now if this video helped you, please give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. It means a whole lot. You're helping a small YouTuber. Thank you so much. Until next time.